Hello, this is my first video on YouTube. My name is Shad, and on this channel I'm gonna help you and be your computer's guide. Many computers have problem with their performance, so today I'm gonna help you and show you how to speed up your computer's performance. As with all PC issues, don't be afraid to give your computer a reboot if something's not working properly. This can fix quite a few problems. So this is the first thing you must do. Second thing, as you probably know, Windows uses quite a few animations, and those animations can make your PC seem a bit slower. So to disable those animations, press Windows key +X or right-click the Start button and select System. Then choose System Informations. Advanced System Settings. Click the System button and the Performance. Choose Adjust for best performance to disable all the animations, or select Custom and disable the individual animations you don't want to see. For example, uncheck Animate Windows when minimizing and maximizing. Then select Advanced and choose Change, Custom Size. Use the calculator. Press your computer's RAM, multiply it by 1024. Then write it there and press OK. Then it will ask you to reboot your computer. It doesn't ask me because I did it previously. Third thing you can do is to lighten your web browser. There is a good chance you use your web browser a lot, so your web browser may just be a bit slow. It's a good idea to use a few web browser extensions or add-ons as possible. Those slow down your web browser and cause it to use more memory. Go into your web browser's extensions or add-ons manager and remove the extensions that you don't need. So as you see, I don't use so much extensions. If the other tips here didn't fix your problem, the one timeless solution to fix Windows problems aside from rebooting your PC, of course, is getting a fresh Windows installation. On modern versions of Windows, that is Windows 8, 8.1 and 10, it's easier to get a fresh Windows installation than ever. You don't have to get Windows Installation Media and reinstall Windows. Instead, you can simply use the Reset Your PC feature built into Windows to get a new, fresh Windows system. This is similar to reinstalling Windows and will wipe your installed programs and system settings while keeping your files. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to let me know by giving it a like, and if you haven't already, feel free to subscribe for more. Thank you again, and see you in the next video.